Thought it'd be interesting to take a look inside of this thing. This is a very old compressor, and it was full of water when I got it, and it's not in that bad a shape. So anyone who has an air compressor with concerns of pitting, I don't know how old this one was, but I know it got used until the compressor literally died. It got used to death. Maybe they just drained it every day like you're supposed to. Anyway, I've been curious about this myself, what the condition inside of an air compressor tank is. It's just been abused. The guy I got it from would indicate that it was heavily abused. I doubt they drained it on the rig. But yeah, it doesn't look that bad in here. That's a pretty risky weld right there. But anyway, that's just some interesting little clip there. If anyone wanted to know what the inside of their compressor looks like after it's just been full of water. I know this thing had water just sitting in it for at least a year. A lot of water came out of there. So, there you have it. This is where I am on this build. Just got this circle patch cut out.